Hello everyone, my name is Ram and I got 12 years of experience in IT industry. So first of all, I welcome all of you to my channel, and the main motto of this channel is to explore, understand, design and implement the test automation using Webdriver IO. So basically the audience for this channel are ideally anyone who is interested or to pursue their career in test automation using WebDriver IO technology, and someone who is currently working in QA domain and they want to add one more skill set by using WebDriver IO technology. And also this is ideal for the students who are pursuing their bachelor's or master's, so they can add this to their curriculum projects also. So they can create a project by using WebDriver IO test automation framework. Right. So basically, what is WebDriver IO? Right. So if you go to their official website, you will get a lot of information about the WebDriver IO, and you can explore yourself. But this is just the beginning. So definitely, we are going to explore almost all the concepts of WebDriver IO. So this is just the introduction, and this is their official website. You can explore just to start up with. Yeah. So basically, what is WebDriver IO? So this is just an open source test automation framework which is used to automate web-based application, right? And it is also used to automate the native mobile applications as well. So basically, this is developed in JavaScript language and it will always run on Node.js. So in order to work with WebDriver IO, so we use JavaScript as a programming language. Like the same way for Selenium, we are using Python, Java, C#, Ruby, etc. Right? Then what is the main advantage of using WebDriver IO? So basically, this is a new technology, point number one, which is extremely helpful. And this is very easy to use and easy to maintain, and debugging is also easy here. And this supports most of the modern applications which are developed using React.js or AngularJS, such kind of technologies. And it has got a lot of inbuilt methods, right, like which are very easy to use and implement. And the configuration part of using WebDriver IO is very easy compared to other tools. For example, if you want to run the scripts parallelly, and how many sessions you want to run the script, which browser or browsers you want to run the scripts, it's very simple and it's very easy. And moreover, this will come up with a lot of APIs, like the third-party APIs, which we can easily integrate our framework to third-party APIs. Like one of the example I must say here is if you want to run your scripts in the cloud environment, like the browser stack, right? So just 2 lines of code into the config file, and your scripts are ready to execute in third-party third-party cloud. So that's it from this introduction, and so this is just the beginning. So I don't want you to just start looking everything at once. Definitely, we are going to cover almost all the concept of the WebDriver IO here. So next, I will see what exactly we are going to learn out of all the sessions, right? So this is what I have created, or this you can call it as a curriculum, or however you want. So I am going to create the new playlist, right? So these are the playlist name, and we're going to see what exactly the playlist covers. So let me just go through it very quickly and very short. So first playlist is like just the introduction to WebDriver IO, and we will see some JavaScript concepts here. So definitely we are not going to in-depth into JavaScript concept. So this is just a kind of prerequisite for you all to go, or just a brush up through the basic concept of JavaScript, even though we are going to cover only such concepts which are critically important for test automation. Yeah. So just introduction here, we are going to see the installation of setup, and we are just going to explore at a very high note on what are JavaScript strings, JavaScript arrays, JavaScript objects, loops, JavaScript functions and classes. And in this playlist, we are going to see how to read JSON file, which is extremely important for our test automation framework. How to write to JSON file, read data, write data, generate some random number as the test data. Right. So these are just high level. I have noted it down, but definitely we are going to cover more, compared to this part. And we are going to see all the WebDriver features, like installation setup, all the browser operations and element operations. We are going to explore the wait, pause, like how to execute in parallel, cross browser, save screenshots, upload files, etc. And this is very important part, the framework. Like we are going to start a framework or create a framework from the scratch, starting from planning, designing, implementing, and once it is implemented, how we can optimize the framework. And we are also going to deal with the test data. We are going to see how many types of reporting we can see. We can add or we can create the reporting part here. And also we are going to see how to push the code to GitHub and Jenkins integration. And at last we are going to see how to run the scripts in the remote cloud, like the browser stack. So these are just the high level topics we are going to cover, but definitely in the due course of time, we are going to explore more, right, apart from this topic mentioned here. So this is just an introduction video, and in the next video we are going to start with introduction we have done right now. We are going to start with JavaScript installation and setup, and basics of JavaScript strings, arrays, objects, and so on. So thank you so much for watching. So stay tuned to get more videos on this. Thank you.